So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got something in, got all the tape cut. Just gonna open it up real quick for us, and guess what? It's from Divo. Everybody loves Divo, right? So we got their cloth right here that they normally come with. I have honestly, I've been buying some Divos lately, so I've got 3 blue and a white one now. So love them, keep using them. They keep shipping them. I'm gonna keep using them. Got a couple stickers right here, and if you didn't know what knife this is gonna be, it's gonna be the Tallboy. Super cool stuff. Divo, man, they've been pumping them out. Pumped out a lot of knives pretty recently, but man, have they been doing such a great job at it. They re-released the Lush. I got one of those. I got a Nip Light with the Ultim. I got this one right here, the Tallboy, and man, I'm just saying, phenomenal. So let's get that out of the way and let's check these babies out. Oh, so it's the Tallboy Black Pearl Camo. I thought the black, I really like the Blade Binge one, like the Brittany Blue or whatever they call it. Or Tiffany Blue, whatever, I don't know what it's called. I really liked it, but I was like, I'm just going to go lean this way. It kind of reminded me of the Black Pearl, you know what I mean? Pirates of the Caribbean, Jack Sparrow. Oh, I thought it was funny. Kind of reminded me of that. That's just me. Call me crazy. I'm sure that's what it's from, but, you know, I could be wrong. Oh, it's probably the camo. Or not the camo, the carbon fiber. That's probably what it is, Black Pearl. Which it does look fantastic. What else did it come with? A little cloth right here. Does it have Divo on it? Nope, just cloth. Okay, cool. Say, I'll take it. Ain't no problem. Always use an extra one, right? And we also got, you know what? Now it makes sense. Because I saw one of these with someone have it, like I did a video, and they had like a silver one like this right there on it. So I was like, well, I didn't like it. I like the black one. So I was like, I did look a couple times. I was like, oh crap, what did I order? So, okay, that makes sense why I saw this. Okay, so it comes with this if you want to kind of match the blade and everything like that. I like the black. I think it goes well. It kind of offsets all the I guess the satin look and everything like that. It just makes a good, like, I don't know, it just looks good. Let's pop it though. That's nice. And you know, they said it was they kept saying it's such a big knife. Everybody was saying. I'm like, it doesn't really feel that big. It doesn't look that big. It feels like it is. It's got a nice long blade on it, but it really, well, I just didn't open it very well there. It doesn't really, oh, I guess if you choke up, it's definitely probably a little different. But that's not bad, though. Like, it's a good blade. And I think they're wanting to make a smaller, like a smaller Tallboy, half pint. I think that's what they said. They were joking about naming it. So they're going to make a smaller version of this. They're wanting to. Obviously, it's probably time, probably next year. They're also making a mini growler. So they're making this different knives. They're really pumping them out, but they're making great knives though, so you can't complain. Got the little clear piece right there. Let's get that out. So I like how they do that now, just to keep from like scratching stuff up. You know, once you get it, it's on you. You know, and I can't. There it goes. It was stuck to it. There we go. Now we're good. Nice little pocket clip. Well, I like the screw. I think that looks pretty cool. I love how they had that as a filler tab right there. So it is reversible, which is nice. Let's get this close up real quick for you. Man, it just looks good. I like this. Man, I think this. Oof, I don't know. The Lush has always been my favorite. I think. Okay, so I got 2 Lushes. I'm probably gonna sell one. And I was going to sell my red carbon fiber one, red lava, but I got the gold one, and I was like, man, I'm probably going to go ahead and sell the gold one, because I love that red carbon fiber, because I don't need 2 Lushes. But, yeah, I just got the weighing them out. I was like, man, I really like that gold, but for some reason, that red carbon fiber just kind of I can't get rid of it. So I'm probably going to sell a gold one. Check it out. It should be on, I'll probably do a YouTube video selling some knives. But, the Lush was my favorite. Then the Nip Light came out with the Ultim. That kind of head to head, kind of like neck and neck with the race. And now this is out, and man, I don't know. I think this may be it right here. This is the Grand Champ, I think. Thumb flick, good. Both ways with the thumb hole and the thumb stud. I like that. That's so cool. I don't know if I've seen another knife with the thumb stud and the thumb hole. I don't know. I might have, but I don't. Nothing's coming to mind right now. But every way you flick it open, oh, it works very well. I do like the pivot collar too. It just kind of goes with it, obviously black. Man, it just looks good. And I love the radial kind of milling on it. Man, I don't know. This is phenomenal. I really like that too. That pocket clip right there with that big old screw. That just looks good. Very impressive. And you also have S90V. Can't beat that. It's pretty good stuff. Man, I love what they did with the liner lock too. What is it, like an inset liner lock? I think that's what it's called. Inset liner lock. I'll have to tell you in the final review for sure. But I like it. I think it looks pretty dope, to be honest with you. It's definitely, got enough room for you and everything like that. You're not going to miss it, which is nice. Very nice. I'm digging that backspacer too, how it comes up all the way. Not just like a little spot right there, you know what I mean? I like it how it comes up here. That's a good little touch too, I like. Man, this thing is banging. It's nice centering right there. Let's check it out. Not bad, not bad. Might need a little squish over, but that might just be the liner lock right there. But man, this thing is phenomenal. I like this. Man, Diva, you guys, Colin and Kev, man, they keep putting out bangers, man. I'm telling you, like if you guys ain't got one, man, I don't know if they're going to be a lot on the secondary market. There might be, because someone might get it like, oh, I don't like it. But that's all right, man. This is phenomenal. Let's just check out the size real quick for you. So they're okay. There's a little bit of difference right here. Got a Velocity Raccoon there. That's not too shabby. Man, this one's banging. I really freaking like this knife. I'm excited I pulled the plug too, because I wasn't gonna get it, because I was like, I gotta save some money. But I moved some funds around. I was able to get one. Man, I'm stoked I did, man. Got a nice little, I forgot right there, DK right there, Divo knives. Man, this is nice. That's all I really got though. Like, oh, what I love their, okay, that's one thing I really like about Divo. For the jimping, they do it right, and that's what I really like. They always come out here, because if you choke up, like you got a finger control right there, you're going to choke up on this bad boy, and you want to get some fine work done, some fine trimming and, cutting and stuff, you got the jimping to do so. I like that. It is a little far for my little thumb, but that's just because I got short fingers. But their jimping is always fire. Like, it's always great. I love it. It reminds me of the Kaiser Drop Bear Azo jimping. Obviously it's not, but it's close to me. And I love it. They do a great job on their knives. Check them out. If you can find them, get them. They're going to have restocks next year, early next year. I think that's what they said. There's going to be on the secondary market. I'm probably sure some few out there. Just keep an eye out for them if you want one. I think they sold out very, very quick. I think within the first 30 minutes. I think they were all sold out everywhere. But you can still probably find them here and there. You just got to keep an eye out for them and keep them on an eye out for the secondary market. But that's all I got, though. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about this bad boy, just let me know down in the comment section, though. All right, thanks.